Hey Psych2Goers, hope you're having a wonderful day. Curious about who finds you attractive? Not based on your looks, but based on your behavior as well? You may have a friend that's fallen for you, or at least you think so. Or perhaps you notice people often compliment your personality and perhaps your looks as well. So how can you tell if someone finds your behavior and personality attractive? Well, here are 5 signs people find your personality attractive, not just your looks. Number 1, they seem nervous or awkward around you after they've gotten to know you a bit. So you've been hanging out with someone for a while and suddenly they've been a bit nervous and awkward around you lately. Maybe they've started blushing at the little things you say. They stumble on their words or now have trouble meeting your eyes. This could mean they've developed feelings for you based on the interactions you've had together. Everyone's different. Some may try their best to shake off the nerves before speaking with you again. So you may not always notice it. Others may not be able to help it. So, do you notice your friend suddenly can't meet your gaze without blushing? They may just like you, my friend. They may just like you. Number 2, their attitude and vocabulary suddenly changes around you after a while. You have a friend you've been hanging out with more lately, but you suddenly notice they've started to noticeably change their vocabulary and manner only around you. This plays into how others may tend to mimic another's subtle gestures and behavior if they like them, including changing their expressions. Language and speech researcher Dr. Marina Kalashnikova from the University of Western Sydney told ABC Radio Melbourne's Lindy that we would use more similar expressions, for example, to sound more alike. She explains that this can sometimes happen fast over a conversation. So do you notice someone unconsciously changes the way they speak because they're simply in awe of you? Or are they just really nervous only around you again? Over due time, they've admired you so much, they've mimicked your behavior and language. Sounds like the chameleon effect to me, folks. Number 3, they're engaged in your conversations. Have you had a few conversations with someone recently? Notice they were particularly engaged in what you had to say? Or are they on their phone? Are they scanning around the room? Are they looking at something else? If they don't engage with you often on the emotional level, or even any level during your outings, then it's likely they don't like you on an emotional level. However, if they ask follow-up questions and keep their focus on you, then it's another good sign that they're interested in you. Number 4, they keep the conversation going and emotionally open up to you as well. Similar to being engaged in your conversation and listening to what you have to say, they'll likely want to keep talking to you. Do they try to keep the conversation going by asking questions and mentioning interesting points of their own? It can sometimes be difficult to do this, but if they've been trying to continue chats with you, this is a good sign that they like you. This can be through text too. This could mean they bring up random things about their day, interesting comments on a show they're watching, or even sending those funny memes. They'll try to make more excuses to talk to you. And once you start talking, they'll generally put a bit of effort into keeping the conversation going. But often for a conversation to continue, you'll want to put in some effort too. If you don't, they may be wondering if you like them as much as they like you. So let them know you enjoy talking to them. Then your conversations may become effortless and easy. Could you become more than friends? And number 5, they often compliment your personality, traits, humor, etc. Not only does this person you're thinking of have some of the signs above, but you notice they give you genuine compliments as well. Not just about your looks, but often about your personality or perhaps your humor too. Maybe they've mentioned how much they enjoy spending time with you, or perhaps they've started flirting with you after getting to know you for a while. This can be a good indicator that they're falling for you, not only on an emotional level, but a romantic one as well. They've gotten to know you and recognize all the many things that make you amazing and unique. They've fallen for you and now likely find you both emotionally attractive and physically attractive as well. The question is, how do you feel about them? Is there romance in the air? Feel free to let us know in the comments what signs you recognize in someone you know. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to click the like button and share it with a friend or crush. Subscribe to Psych2Go and hit the notification bell icon for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching.